Alright, Popsicle Posse. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a brain-freezing adventure that'll make your taste buds do the cha-cha and your sugar cravings run for the hills. Hey there, frozen treat enthusiasts. It's your favorite kitchen mad scientist, Zen, coming at you live from the flavor laboratory of Zen Fit Journey. Today, we're not just making popsicles, oh no. We're staging a full-blown coup against boring, sugar-loaded treats. It's time to stick it to the man, or should I say, stick it to the popsicle mold? Before we dive into this icy escapade, let's play a game I like to call Guess That Sugar Rush. I've got 3 popsicle sticks here, each with a number on it. One of these is the actual amount of sugar in a store-bought popsicle, and the others are just sweet lies. Ready? Stick 1, 2 teaspoons, Stick 2, 4.5 teaspoons, Stick 3, 7 teaspoons. Place your bets in the comments. Winner gets absolutely nothing except the satisfaction of being right. Isn't that sweet? Now, for all you Sherlock Holmes wannabes out there, I've hidden 3 fruits in the most ridiculous places throughout this video. First person to spot all 3 and comment Fruity Ninja gets a virtual high five and my eternal admiration. Game on! Alright, my popsicle apprentices, it's time to turn your kitchen into Willy Wonka's health-conscious cousin's workshop. First up on our flavor-packed agenda, the Incredible Hulk Popsicle. Don't worry, it won't turn you green, probably. For this mean, green, nutrient machine, you'll need 1 cup spinach. Don't run away, I promise it's friendly, 1 ripe banana, the spottier, the better, we like our bananas like we like our leopards, half a cup Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pro tip, if your banana isn't ripe enough, stick it in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. It's like a tanning bed for fruit. Throw everything into your blender and blend until it's smoother than your best pickup line. Pour this green goodness into your popsicle molds, add the sticks, and freeze for at least 4 hours. While those are chillin' like villains, let's move on to our berry blast-off popsicle. For this intergalactic treat, gather 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, it's like a berry boy band, half a cup coconut water, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon honey. Pro tip, use frozen berries to make your popsicles extra frosty. It's like giving your taste buds a polar bear hug. Blend everything except the chia seeds. Once smooth, stir in those magical little seeds. They're like the glitter of the food world, they make everything more fun and slightly messy, eh? Last but not least, let's whip up the coconut lime crime scene, because these are criminally delicious. 1 can light coconut milk, zest of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons lime juice, 2 tablespoons honey, and a 1/4 cup unsweetened shredded coconut. Pro tip, to juice your lime, put on your best wrestling face and roll it on the counter while pressing down. It's like a lime spa day, but with more aggression. Mix everything in a bowl, pour into molds, and freeze. These taste like a tropical vacation without the sunburn or overpriced cocktails. Pop quiz, hot shot. Which of these popsicles do you think will be crowned the Sultan of Sweet, the Emperor of Icy, the Supreme Leader of Lickability? Is it A, the Incredible Hulk, B, the Berry Blast-Off, or C, the Coconut Lime Crime Scene? Vote now, or forever hold your peace, and your popsicle stick. Now, let's talk about our sneaky superhero ingredient, spinach. I know, spinach in a popsicle sounds about as appealing as a sandpaper smoothie. But trust me, this green goddess is stealthier than a ninja at a mime convention, you won't even taste it. And don't get me started on chia seeds. These tiny titans are the Swiss Army knife of superfoods. Plus, they make our berry blast-off look like a portable galaxy. It's like eating the Milky Way, but tastier and with significantly less space dust. Why did the popsicle get a job at the gym? Because it wanted to be cool and work on its abs at the same time. Bah dum tss. I know, that joke was pretty corny. But hey, corn is a vegetable, so it's on brand. Alright, Zen Fit fam, time to spill the beans, or should I say, the ice? What's the craziest thing you've ever frozen? A popsicle? An ice cube? Your ex's heart? Drop your icy tales in the comments. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, popsicle enthusiasts of all ages, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's unveil our frozen masterpieces. Drumroll, tada! It's like a rainbow decided to throw a party in our freezer. Takes a bite, holy guacamole on a popsicle stick. These are insanely good. The Hulk is smoother than a fresh jar of Skippy, the berry blast-off is out of this world, and the coconut lime crime scene? Lock me up and throw away the key, because I'm guilty of loving it. Remember, folks, eating healthy isn't about saying no to everything fun. It's about saying yes to creativity, yes to flavor explosions, and yes to treating your body like the temple of awesomeness it is. So next time you're eyeing that sugary snack, remember, your freezer is just a zen-fit journey away from popsicle paradise. If this frosty fiesta made you grin, don't be shy, smash that like button harder than you'd smash a piñata filled with popsicles. And if you want more healthy food adventures, subscribe to Zen Fit Journey. We're cooking up health hacks and fitness fun every week, and believe me, it's cooler than a penguin's toenails. Now, let's switch gears faster than a popsicle melts in the Sahara. If you're in the market for some cool tech to complement your cool treats, pop over to my digital product website at shop.bytvault.co.in. We've got phone cases cooler than your popsicles, laptop stands that'll elevate your work-from-home game higher than your sugar-free high, and more. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be, well, I can't tell you. It's a surprise sweeter than our popsicles. You'll have to subscribe to find out. Until then, stay cool, stay healthy, and remember, in the game of life, you're the cherry on top. And don't forget, the answer to our sugar shocker roulette is 4.5 teaspoons. Shocking, right? Now go forth and conquer the world, one healthy popsicle at a time. Catch you on the flip side, Popsicle pals.